You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
All right, y'all, welcome back to the Dude Flips. Garage sale season is still going. Before it dies, let's get out there and find some cool stuff. Come on.
Have you been around a lot? Is there a lot of people setting up?
Yeah, I've hit a few. It's pretty decent. I don't know the full scope, but
Huh?
I don't know the full scope of what's around yet, but that's cool. How much is this one? How much is that?
I wanted 25.
25?
For it. Nothing's wrong with it. I think it's an extra large.
That's cool. Okay. Think about it. See what else you got. Oh, is there anything in here?
No,
Oh, just out here, okay.
Just out here.
How's it going, man? Did you do 20 for it?
Yeah, I'll take
20 bucks?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I'll get that. I'm more looking for like older toys, like old collectible, like 80s, 90s. Like, how much is that car over there?
There's my husband.
Oh shit!
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I better run away before I get chased off for asking. So, hey, what's up?
How are you?
Not bad. Yourself?
Doing good.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh, I didn't know if it was like that on purpose or.
No, it fell over.
Okay, cool.
We'll move it closer, maybe.
How much is the jacket?
We're asking $40.
40 bucks?
Yes. Inside out.
It's like reversible?
Yeah, it's a reversible one. Goes both ways.
Alright, alright. Are you open to offers on it or are you firm on the 40?
No, we're firm on the 40.
Yeah, okay.
I was going to buy it. He's on YouTube.
I have a TikTok, but I don't really post on there.
Use it for scrolling.
I actually watch like guys that like do what you do.
Yeah.
Like, do the
On TikTok? Yeah.
You should do it. You're getting popular.
Yeah. I'm just not really good with social media. I'm too old, so I can't figure it out. So. I mean, I can. I'm just lazy.
We're all that.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is if we start watching you, we might see our next actual video.
If you give me that for 30 bucks, yeah.
We'll make it 50 if you want. We'll go up price.
So they tried to scam me at garage sale.
Yeah, that's a good thumbnail right there. Let me
$5 on it.
just give it a once over.
Sure.
Make sure.
Are you going to come back or are you just gonna go?
Going over there to the boat.
They have the black inside, which is pretty nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
But he is a Chiefs fan.
I am a Chief fan.
Yeah. I used to be a Chargers fan until they moved to LA, and I was like, yeah. Well, I'm from San Diego, so I was like, I'm not from LA. No, thank you. Yeah, I'll do the 40 bucks. I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it. Good luck getting rid of the rest.
We're trying.
All right. Yeah.
Maybe that sub on YouTube.
I appreciate it, man. Alright, I was on the phone during this portion, which is probably why I was distracted. I should have picked up this Coca-Cola clock here. I even looked at it. I don't know what I'm doing. But I saw this lunchbox which caught my eye. And I loved Pee-wee's Playhouse back in the day, so yeah. Yeah. I found a Pee-wee's Playhouse lunchbox. Yeah. I'm excited about it. I'm about to. How much is this?
10.
10?
Yeah.
You wouldn't do 5 on it, would you?
8.
8?
I was gonna say that too.
Yep. Yeah. Even though it's messed up, it's still old.
You think that would come off?
I have no idea. I have no idea. That's separate and this is all separate.
You got a chain?
Yep. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Out of bar.
Go.
They're gonna do good this year, so I'm gonna any kind of shirts I see of the Spurs. So.
Is this old?
That one is a vintage one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much are these?
Well, I'll go 5 on the caps.
5?
Yeah. I got that Bulls one. Tell me if you saw it.
Yeah. How much is that one?
Same.
Same.
I wouldn't call it a Bulls, but it's more like a. And
What is this
Starter,
one?
too.
Yeah.
Shoot. That one's just like a 04 type of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you sell stuff or what?
I do.
Yeah?
I do.
Where at?
Just on eBay.
eBay?
Yeah, I'm just trying to stay in one little niche.
Yeah, same
That way I
here.
don't overdo it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
shit.
definitely. I watched some of that stuff.
Oh, you got a little Apex right here too. That's cool.
I got that one. I found that one at Salvation Army.
Oh yeah.
But
How
that
much
was
you
before
asking?
Before the uptick in.
Yeah, yeah. How much you asking for this one?
Yeah, I'll do the same, man. 25, 20.
20 bucks?
Yeah. You're on a roll right now. Keep you on a roll, man.
Dude, I can't pass it up then.
Yeah, we'll keep you
Shoot.
on a roll.
Yeah, I might need that shit.
Dude, yeah, man. I found that one yesterday.
You did? Where?
Yes.
Where's that?
At the Dollar General, at Goodwill.
Really?
Yeah. I saw what it said on it. I was like, oh, man, this is hilarious. It's a Texas local band, too.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's those.
Don't sit at home and miss all the fun. Order now to learn all the latest country dances. Yes, you can dance if you order today.
Help, I'm wild and I can't get down. Got 2 left feet planted on the ground.
Kind of 2 white dudes just hitting it. Doing remakes of Hank, Willie.
This is 92 on it.
Yeah, they're old. They're old. One of them's passed.
Oh, wow.
So.
Did you try to get the stains out?
Yeah, no,
Is it fresh out the fresh out the rack?
Just got.
How much is that?
Just do 8 out of Plato's Closet at $8.
$8. All right. That's gotta be a personal right there, man.
For you right there. That would be a great conversation.
Yeah.
What's your shirt saying? What? Oh, boy, I can't get down.
I'm gonna wear it to the flea market, man.
Sweet.
They always call me white boy over there. White boy. I'll just snag these, man. Got some cool stuff though.
Yeah, we were. I was breaking down boxes and I was about to pack it up because there's no advertising out
Yeah.
there, so it's kind of like, man, we're getting missed by.
You got 2 books, man.
Man, dude, I'm glad I can help you keep rolling on those.
Yeah, I know, man.
Dude. What a day.
That's cool. Yeah, yeah. Nah, this is the nostalgia stuff I like, man. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching that video. I love those jackets. I love that cool 90s look. If you like stuff like this, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got a dude flips. Oh, baby, 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 baby. You're kind of a nice guy. You know that dude flips.